Athiran, tell me A for, B for, C for, D for, E for, F for, fish, G for, H for, house, I for, J for, K for, L for, M for, N for, O for, P for, Q for, R for, S for, T for, U for, V for, W for, X for, Y for, Z for. Very good.